Guys, good morning. It's currently 5:31 right here in Nigeria, Benin City. So today I'm going to show you guys how to DIY a wreath, and I got myself some old carton that we have left in the house, and I'm just using that big old cover pot to map out the area I'm going to be using for my wreath. And I'm also going to use a plate to also map out the middle part of this carton, and I'm just going to use the scissors to cut all the excess out and leave just the rounded part I've mapped out right there. Thing too. Same thing too. So you want to make sure you cut as close to that line as possible to make sure everything is smooth and looking like this. Now if you have any leftover newspaper in your house, just stack them up together. I don't know how many, but just the right amount you need for the shape or the size of your wreath. Now you're going to need a paper tape to just tape them together so everything is firm. And now I felt like the paper was a little bit distracting and it needed something to cover it up, so when I start putting my tinsel, everything will look decent and nice. So I got a nylon bag and I just wrapped it around. I'm also trying to tape everything so it looks cute. So now I'm just adding my tinsel to it. I'm just using that paper tape to gum it down. Now I'm just wrapping around the wreath with my tinsel, and I'm going to take my time to do this process. I used about 3 of this tinsel to go around because this wreath is a little bit bigger than a little bit big, so about 3 tinsel was enough for me. And I'm just arranging it some more, making sure there are no open spaces at all. And now I'm just using the paper tape to hold it down. Now this is the last one, you guys. I'm also going to use the paper tape to gum it down so it doesn't move. And yes, super easy, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below right now. There's a red subscribe button below this video. Click on it and you'll be subscribed to my channel. So that's what it looks like right now. So cute, right? So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to hang it on the wall, but first I want to do a mini bowl to hang on the wreath. So let's do that. So guys, I'm not really an expert when it comes to this bow tie thing. Like I still had to watch some videos on YouTube here before I was able to get an idea of how this is done. So I watched a video and I saw someone using a tape. I couldn't get a tape, so I brought out my old ruler from school and I'm just using it to sort of measure how the length, or I don't know how I want it to be. So basically that's what it is. All you need is a ribbon, a measurement tape, a scissors, and maybe a fish hook or something you can just use to tie it. And I feel like this down part is the only thing I loved about this bow, because it wasn't looking nice at all, but I figured it out and I pinned it already on the wreath. Now you guys will see me trying to hang it on the door. And guys, I had the brightest idea to go and get thread to actually tie it around that hole on the door, and now I think everything is perfect, and that's it. After that, I went ahead to hang my garland. You guys, this stuff is so heavy, I swear. And I was standing up there for another 20 to 30 minutes because it was so hard to hang it on the wall. I had to get a nail and hammer. I was praying, God, let me not nail my hand. It was so scary, and the sun wasn't helping. Like, can you see the reflection of that sun on my dress? Like, it's so hot outside. I think it was around 3 p.m. when I was doing this, and my mom, you guys, my mom was the one videoing me. Like, I had to beg her. She was literally standing like behind me, and because I really wanted to show you guys affordable Christmas decoration ideas, and I got this garland for about 2,500. Yes, and I think it's pretty cheap. I think I priced it somewhere inside GRA in Benin, and it told me about 5k or something. Separating the garland is another work that you cannot even avoid. Like, you have to separate them so everything will be looking nice and full, as you can see me do right there. If you have a hand glove, you can definitely wear it because this stuff is a little bit itchy. So I also got this white Christmas lights. This one is I think 100 bulbs or so, and I got this for just 700 naira. Hey guys, if you watched up to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends that this video might be of help too. So in total, I spent about 4,700 naira to get everything you can see right here. Thank you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below and share this video. Comment down below if you love what you're seeing, and if you have more ideas for me, let me know in the comment section. Bye guys. Mwah.